Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a car in Roblox Studio. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So creating a car in Roblox Studio involves building the car model, scripting its movement, and adding controls for the player. Here's a step-by-step guide to make a simple car in Roblox Studio. So first of all, open Roblox Studio, launch Roblox Studio, and open the place where you want to create the car. Now, create the car model. Use parts such as cubes, cylinders, and wedges to construct the car's body. You can design the car however you like, keeping in mind that it should resemble a car shape. Now you need to add wheels. Create or import wheel models, or use cylinder parts and position them correctly at each corner of the car. Make sure the wheels can rotate freely. Now, anchoring and collision. Ensure that all parts of the car are anchored so they won't move, and have appropriate collision settings. For wheels, set them to the can collide fall so they don't interfere with the car's movement. Next, scripting the car movement. Select the car model, go to the Insert tab, and choose Object. Then, select Script to create a new script inside the car model. Now, scripting the car's movement. So these are the embedded codes that you will need. So you can just go ahead and screenshot this and save it on your device so that you have a guide. Okay? So, in the script, write the code to handle the car's movement. Here's a basic example using the body velocity class. Now, adding controls. The script uses the W key to move the car forward and the S key to move it backward. When the keys are released, the car stops. You can customize the controls and add turning functionality by rotating the car's wheels. Now, testing. Finally, save your place and click play to test the car in-game. Drive the car around using the controls you've set up. Please note that this example provides a basic script for a simple car movement. To create more advanced and realistic car physics, you may need to explore more complex scripting techniques and utilize the Roblox physics engine. Feel free to experiment and add additional features to make your car more interactive and enjoyable for players. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!